I know. I fucked up. But you see the title, you see the thumbnail. After this intro, we gonna get straight to it. So let me get you back to speed. So what's happening is I'm coming from Ramstein, 30 minutes back from where I stay. Um, so I'm coming from Ramstein. I live in Germany, so I'm on the autobahn. Nobody behind me. It's late night, so what I decided to do is do a pull. So I'm on the straightaway, do a pull, bang out first gear. I'm out. I'm in manual mode. I bang out first gear. My car tends to bog. Like it didn't tend to bog, but like my car starts to bog, and I didn't think nothing of it. Um, and I should have went easy. I should have just like stayed, but me just I guess me being young, I didn't know any. I should have known any. I should have known better. So what happened was I'm in first gear. We not letting up. I'm on corners going like 140. I'm turning. I'm not sharp curves because I'm on autobahn, but I'm on going through curves 140. So straightaways 160. I'm already tuned. Got whatever I got on the car. I'll tell y'all that. Model is coming soon. So what's happening is I'm going 160. Top max, like that's my max right there. I'm going 160 on the autobahn. So I'm 30 minutes away. Right when I get about 12, 15 minutes away, I like something told me to slow down. I ease up. My car went straight into limp mode. I'm talking about straight into limp mode. I'm like, now I don't know what happened, but I was like, something ain't right. I was like, I feel like it's bad this time. So I pull up to the side of the road, on the autobahn, which I shouldn't have done. Now I know, but I shouldn't have done that. So I pulled over to the side of the road, allegedly, if anybody in Germany is watching. So I pull over to the side of the road allegedly, and I have an ECU tech. So the ECU tech allows me, the Bluetooth one, the ECU tech allows me to control my tunes and also read my faults, what's on the car. So I'm reading my faults. I'm scrolling. Got to the app, got on, check what I needed to check, and it says misfire on cylinder 4. And I'm like, I know I shouldn't be driving this. But my job requires me to do certain things on certain days sometimes. I'm not gonna tell y'all what I do for a living right now, but I had to just let y'all know I had to get up in the morning, early in the morning. So it's probably about 12. I'm like, I don't really want to call the tow truck, which I should have to minimize the damage, but I don't really want to drive the tow truck and in the tow truck get here and I'm like sleepy in the morning. I could have told somebody, but I wasn't thinking. I was like, I'm gonna just handle this on my own. So I drove back home. I was like, all right, I'm not gonna drive no more. We're gonna wait to get this look at. So since I'm in Germany, there's not that many JDM shops around. So I took it to this one shop, or no, I called this one shop and asked if they could look at it. They was like, yeah, but we really don't know what's wrong with it. We might not know what's wrong with it after we look at it because we're not a JDM shop. So I'm like, okay. Or they won't know how to fix it or something like that. So I was like, okay. So I took it to Infinity in Frankfurt. I called them. I was like, can you look at this? They was like, yeah. So what happened was I called my car is low, but it's not lowered. It's just low. It's stock height, but it's low. So I called a flatbed and I was like, hey, can you take this to Frankfurt, Infinity Frankfurt? And he's like, yeah. So I gave him euros and stuff like that. The car sounded horrible. The car, it was sad when I left. Like when I saw it leave, it was sad. It was real sad. So when I cranked the car up, I drove it out the gate because I couldn't get on and stuff like that, and they just took it. What Frankfurt is an hour away, so they took it an hour away to Infinity of Frankfurt. And then I'll put the clip right here of the car actually just, it don't sound good. So I took it to Infinity in Frankfurt, and if I'm correct, they told me I had a hole, or I punctured my cylinder wall on cylinder 4 actually, which I was like, okay, that makes sense, because I was getting misfire on cylinder 4. So what they was like, you basically blew your engine, um, and what they was like, we we don't have those engines in Germany, because I guess for some reason they don't sell VR30s, or they don't sell Q50s, Q60s. I've seen a lot of Q50s around. I know is at least 2 or 3 other Q60s that's around my area. Shout out to Corey if you're watching this. What's up, bro? So so basically he was like, hey, we could quote you an engine. It's gonna cost like 20K. So $20,000 down the drain. I was like, I'm still paying for the car. I don't really have that much money. I'm gonna just look at my options and stuff like that. So and also I bought my car in the United States. So my warranty, it was still under warranty. It's a 2019. This happened last year, actually. So this all happened last year. So what happened was, once I bought the car, the warranty was only good for the United States and Canada. It was not good for nowhere else. So I'm having to come out of pocket for this whole thing, which is fine. You like my dad always say, if you play the game, you're gonna pay the price, or what it costs to play, or something like that. I forgot, but so that happened, and then I looked at this website and I was like, that looks nice, like nice name. I talked to the person, I talked to the owner actually, nice dude, sounds cool. Actually speaks English, which is very hard. It's not very hard actually, to come by here. Some people don't speak English, which I understand. We are in their country, so I'm not about to fault them. I'm gonna fault me, because I should at least learn a little bit of their language, which I am trying to learn. So I talked to him. He's like, yeah, ship to me. I took some of the parts there. I'll let you know. But he helped me source all the parts, like all of them. I don't care. He broke down the engine. He told me what's wrong. He sent me pictures. Best service I ever had working on a car, hands down. Other than the time I got my car painted, but that's the G35. I'll put the picture in here right here. But top notch, top notch customer service, all that. He helped me source the parts, all forged parts. I'm talking about a lot, like good parts too. So these are the parts that he told me to order. And then I'm gonna bite the bullet. I'll put a price either on the side of the screen, or I might put it in the whole thing and then just talk over it. But this is the price for the stuff I paid. And then somewhere on the bottom, I'll tally it, I'll total it out, and then give you the price of everything paid. But I still have to have labor, because I'm not doing it myself. So the first part is the APR head studs. Second part is the APR main stud. Third part is the Kings Racing main bearing. Next part is the Kings Racing engine rod bearing. I was able to get a Manley beam rods. So I was told, not by him, but somebody else, that I was lucky to even have that, because I don't know if they stopped making Manley beam rods or something. I don't know what they just like, I was lucky. And then I have a new gasket set. So the first two parts I'm gonna show you came in. This is from Z1 Motorsports. These are the because I also needed these in the teardown. So these are the, what are they? What are they? I'm not trying to. They are valves. I know that, but I'm not trying to give y'all the wrong answer. What kind of valves I use? These are the intake valves. Oh, sorry. So these are the intake valves that I got not too long ago. I will be giving him these parts tomorrow. Because I'm taking the last of my parts. And then he should be working on my engine, so I should get my car back pretty soon. And then we'll have more car content instead of y'all just looking at my face, which I know I'm pretty. I got these from Z1 Motorsports. I got these from Concept Z Performance. And these are the exhaust valves that he told me to get. I need 2 of each because they actually messed up, and the seating, I think he said the seating was messed up or something like that. And then I'll show y'all, but this is the JE pistons. This is what you find in the JE piston box when you buy JE pistons for at least the Q60 VR30s. So it comes in tape. You just gotta tape it up. Open the tape and stuff like that. And then it opens. You gotta find the open spot. You just open this right here. Nice little thing. You got the Facebook right here. Open that. What you gonna find? I don't wanna mess nothing up, so I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna take it out. I looked at this earlier, but you will find some pistons. You have these. I only have a 6-cylinder, as you know, VR30 6-cylinder twin turbo. So you have 1, 2, 3. You have 3 pistons on this side. You have 1, 2, 3. You have 3 pistons on this side. You have the ring set. Oh, my bad. You have the ring set. And you also have the performance components, the ring pins. So that's what you find in a JE performance thing. And I'll show y'all what's actually in the box too, but I'm not trying to lose nothing, but look like that inside. And then the rings, honestly, I don't wanna open that, so I'm not gonna open that. So, but y'all see it. And that's the end. Alright, so that's the end of this video. If you like it, please like, comment, subscribe, share. Please turn on that notification bell. Help me out. Just trying to spread love around this community, awareness around this community, and really actually learn more about cars. So I hope y'all there for the journey. I hope y'all there supporting me. Thank you to all my supporters, and have a good day. Good night. Peace.